Hello children, welcome back. Today I am here with another topic that is map skills. Here I am going to show you how to locate states of India in a political map. Hey children, tell me how many states are there? Yes, there are 28 states and
9 union territories. Children, do you know how many states were there in 2000? There were 25 states in the year 2000. But in the year 2000, November, 3 states joined, and 2014, one more state newly formed. So, total 4 states newly formed by the year 2014. First, let us see all 25 states. Later, we will see newly formed 4 states. This is the state Andhra Pradesh. Before its bifurcation means unified Andhra Pradesh. This is the west coastal line. Now mark at the west coastal at the center of the west coastal line. By marking at the center we get Goa. Now move towards south direction. You will get a leaf shaped state, that is Kerala. Now join the line connected to Kerala and Andhra Pradesh and the border line, coastal border line. This is Tamil Nadu. Now by joining the line connected to Goa and Andhra Pradesh, we get the state Karnataka. Now we'll move to the central part of the country. What is the state located at the center of the country, children? That is Madhya Pradesh. So Madhya Pradesh. Once you locate Madhya Pradesh, it is very easy to locate all its surrounding states. So now we'll move towards south direction. See children, just now it is highlighted, that is Maharashtra. Next to Maharashtra, towards westernmost margins, that is Gujarat. This is the state Gujarat. Gujarat is the state having longest coastal line. Next to it is Rajasthan. This is Rajasthan. Next we'll move to these triangle states. See, these are in triangle shape. This is Haryana, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. Northernmost means the topmost state of the country is Jammu and Kashmir. This is Jammu and Kashmir. Now move to Uttar Pradesh. This is Uttar Pradesh, and next is followed by Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha. We have completed all the states. Now we are left with northeastern states of the country.
all these states are located in the northeast direction of the country.
Here 7 states are located. These 7 northeastern states are called as 7 sisters, and there is one brother also for these 7 sisters. Who is that, you know children? That is Sikkim. Yes, Sikkim is known as the brother of all these 7 sisters. And these 7 sisters together, these 7 sister states together called as the land of 7 sisters. Do you know why it is called the land of 7 sisters? Because all these states, they are dependent, interdependent on one another. That's why we call them as 7 sisters. How sisters will help each other? In the same way, these 7 sisters interdependent on one another. Let's move to locate these 7 sisters. Arunachal Pradesh. This is the state which receives the first sunlight. Assam, the largest state among all these 7 sisters. And also here a famous Kamakya temple is located. Next is Meghalaya, popularly known as abode of clouds. Do you know what is the meaning of Meghalaya? Megha means cloud, Alaya means abode. So it is popularly known as abode of clouds and it receives highest rainfall. Masinram of this state is in the Guinness Book of World Records for being the wettest place on the earth. Now coming to these three states, Nagaland, Manipur and Mizoram, sometimes children will get confused in locating these places. So here I am giving a small trick which is called mnemonic. Taking the first letters of these three states, Nagaland NA, in Manipur first two letters MA, in Mizoram first two letters MI. We can make a mnemonic which is called Namami. So if you remember this mnemonic Namami, it is very easy the order how to locate this. So you can say that Nagaland followed by Manipur followed by Mizoram. This way you can remember children Namami. Now we locate Tripura. This is the state Tripura. We are almost done with the location of all the seven sister states. Now we are left with only one state, that is Sikkim. We call it as the brother of all the seven sisters. So this is Sikkim. All these states are connected to India via a thin stretch of land known as Siliguri Corridor. It is popularly known as Chicken's Neck. Hence that is only way to reach the seven sister states.
The wettest place on the earth is Masinram, which is located in this state Meghalaya, and it is also holds a place in the Guinness Book of Records. There are many methods to memorize all the states and capitals and locating them in a political map. But here I am giving a simple method which is suitable for you. That is writing all the states according to alphabetical order. Write all the states alphabetical order and see how many states are there for each letter. For example, A, letter A is there. For letter A, how many states are there? Here you can count, there are 3 states. Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam. And highest number, which letter here? Letter M. With the letter M, we have 5 states. Madhya Pradesh, the centrally located state, Maharashtra, and northeastern states, the seven sisters. In the land of seven sisters, we have 3 states. Namami, if you follow, Manipur, Mizoram, Meghalaya. So these 3 states from northeastern side, centrally located Madhya Pradesh, and south of this Madhya Pradesh you can see Maharashtra. So there are 5 states with the letter M. So this way you can recollect while you are marking it, and you can memorize easy also. So this is what one of the simple steps to memorize the states with the help of alphabetical order. Now we'll see location of union territories.
Now we are going to locate all the union territories of India. Jammu and Kashmir, capital Srinagar. Ladakh, capital Leh. Delhi, capital Delhi. National Capital Territory, capital is Delhi. Chandigarh. Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, they both are merged now. Capital is Daman. Lakshadweep Islands, Kavratti. Andaman Nicobar Islands, Port Blair. Puducherry, Pondicherry. So these are the capitals of all the 8 union territories.
Okay, this is the latest map. After making all the changes, this is the map what we are using now. That is latest change is that Jammu and Kashmir divided into 2 union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. That is also there. All the maps according to the changes done are made. Maps are prepared for the government by Survey of India. So these are the maps we are using. And here you can see Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh both divided here. So it is nowhere called as a state. Jammu and Kashmir is not called as a state. It is now divided into 2 union territories, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So finally, we have 28 states and 9 union territories. That's all for now, children. Have a nice day.